Ready to ditch the basic pie chart and spice up your data visualization game? Let's dive into creating eye-catching donut charts in Tableau. First, open Tableau and connect to your data source. For this example, we'll be using the sample Superstore data. Drag the dimension you want to analyze, for example, category, to the rows shelf. Next, drag the measure you want to display, like sales, to the columns shelf. This will create a basic bar chart. Now, in the marks card, change the chart type from automatic to pie. This transforms the bar chart into a pie chart. Drag the sales measure from the columns shelf onto the angle in the marks card. This defines the size of each pie slice. Now comes the magic. Decrease the size of the pie in the marks card, creating that donut hole effect. Adjust it to your liking. Double-click in the columns shelf and type AVG0 and hit enter. Do this a second time, so that you have two of these measures in your columns shelf. Navigate to the second AVG0 marks card. Change the mark type to circle, and change the color to white. Increase the size of the white circle to fill the center of the donut. Drag some sales to the label in the second AVG0 marks card and format as a percentage. Clean up your chart by hiding headers and adding clear labels. Customize the colors and formatting to create a visually appealing donut chart that effectively communicates your data.